Farted in midair. It's Friday! It's just for the vlog, guys. Don't worry about it. This is a rare occasion that I'm actually doing work instead of y'all.
I was babysitting. There were 4 grown men walking around the backyard. So I got the kids and went upstairs and put them in a closet and stood in front of the closet with a knife. I texted her and she said they're just coming to cut the yard. I said, why didn't you call her? She's working. Hey, it's a live or death situation, but what's up though?
Start rolling. I win.
Vlog 18, baby. Let's get it. Stop, roll up.
The fire alarm went off, so everyone's headed outside.
But some freshman got bet to pull the fire alarm.
I'm getting taped to the door too.
Why are you doing that? Wait, somebody duct taped me. You want me to hold that?
I sleep right here in 4th period every day.
This is Riz vlog number 1. We're taking over for Charlie. About to watch a movie. You know how it is.
Oh, we both went. They're doing an in-school game for volleyball.
Charlie! Charlie! Alex! Get Alex! Yeah! Whoa, bro! What the fuck? I made it to the vlog!
Oh my god, hey! Hey vlog!
I'm at the Germantown game right now.
We love Charlie.
Oh, thank you. I've never met her before. Hey, is it weird watching my vlogs?
No! Yes! Oh my god, it's the weirdest thing ever.
She lived in my house before I did.
There's a ghost in that room that's like it's in your room.
Give me a hug. This is little soup. Oh, soup. What's up, Charlie? How you doing? Charlie! Charlie! You see the fuck? I'm a vlogger, got special access to the field.
Sorry, I'm really pumped, man. Let's go! I gotta go pee so.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey!
I was on my way to the Germantown side and she came with me, and this is a bit of a problem because there's rivalry. So we're sneaking underneath the bleachers so that we can get across.
Go Houston!
Shut up! Fights do happen because of this. Now I'm on the Germantown side.
Everybody, this is Charlie. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
What's up, boys?
Red Devil Pride out here, you know, like my boy Charlie used to go to Germantown.
Yeah.
You got a video of us
I
doing
do.
the powder, dude.
Are you ready, kids? I can hear you!
Oh, I'm on the vlog.
Yeah.
I'm on the vlog. Hey, you can't see the W.
Hey, let's shave his head! Hey! He's a twin! Hey, time is extremely valuable, and I'm prepared to waste it! I'm just wasting!
Charlie's vlog. It's vlog number 18.
Team America, what can I say?
I want to be in your vlog.
We're in it.
What?
What's up? It's your boy Trey Chapo.
You're in it now? Shout out to Sawyer.
Charlie, I love
Oh
you.
yeah.
I love you.
I don't get to love you back.
I love you too.
Hey guys, I'm Maddie. Hello.
Maddie and
What's up?
they wanted to be in the vlog. What's up? This is Frog Boy. ¿Qué pasa, mi amigo? ¿Qué pasa, mi amigo? Hey, we suck at football. That's okay. I'm gonna watch this vlog. Watch this vlog.
I joined the mob.
Lodorf, come back.
We lost the game.
44-28.
Germantown won.
This dude goes to Houston and he's cheering on Germantown.
I'm cheering on both sides.
He's cheering on both sides. I let you get on my shoulders for nothing.
Yeah, get off his shoulders. Forever.
We go play some tennis.
I have to go play some tennis after I take this piss that I've been trying to do since the second quarter.